Not gonna lie, I was feeling quite anxious doing another market because when I was 17, when I did my last market, no one bought a thing. But today I decided to face the embarrassment and bring my best friend Sam along with us. We had our first ever pop-up market for Kamalia with Fine Earrings in Fitzroy. I genuinely went in with the expectations of no one buying a thing. All I wanted was someone to buy a business card, but when I left with people buying prints, and especially my big prints, I was so beyond grateful. The most lovely family came in and they said, okay, we need to buy this one, we just got to discuss with Dad if he wants to get it too. And when they completed the purchase, I literally had tears in my eyes. It's such a different experience doing markets because you think, I love my prints, but I don't know if anyone else does. But having the support of all of you and all my friends and just random people who showed up, I could not thank you enough. This was literally the most beautiful experience. Also, just meeting other business owners and having people there just supporting one another makes me want to do this every single Saturday. So thank you to everyone who showed their face or those who just supported online, and hopefully we can do this again soon. Love you.